the radio frequency. I rep domain, a victim of toxicity. The quantities I consume unspeakably huge. It's not soft boiled, I don't get spoiled. Don't put me in a pan with extra virgin oil. Foil me, I'll scramble your leg. Cooking on this beat and I bake. I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a gamer. I'm not an egg. Get away from me, your face needs a disclaimer. I'm not an egg. Entertaining children with no attention span. I'm not an egg. Limited tins and rolls like the Michelin Man. Can't escape my shadow, it's 40 pounds. Vegetables or cake, it's a battleground. Throwing fruit in my mouth, it's a touchdown. Naming off my chins like some proper nouns. Memories of me, low-key. Gotta be, gotta boo, maybe hits a drive-through. McDonald's, Ronald on speed dial. But the ice cream machine's been down for a while. So am I, wait what? So am I, wait what? I can't take it anymore, I can't lie. Wait what? This existential feeling like the fall guy. Wait what? At this point, I'll pick all your french fries.
Sir, this is a drive-through. You're holding up the line.
Oh, sorry. I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a